Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's time to get creative and design your own special t-shirt for the occasion. Today, I'm going to show you a simple yet effective way to create a cute Valentine's Day design using Bing. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, let's head over to Bing.com by searching into the search bar. Once you're on Bing.com, click on the Images tab. Now, click on Create to start designing. Here, you can write your prompt. For this tutorial, let's use the prompt, create a cute couple Valentine's Day design with the text name plus now, click on Create to start designing. Now, let's give it a minute to work its magic. And boom! Check out the result. We have a cute couple Valentine's Day design with the text name plus name equals love in vector format and with no background. That's all for today's tutorial, folks. If you enjoyed learning how to create a t-shirt Valentine design, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy designing. See you in the next video.